Good morning, class 5. How are you? This is your math period. Book is New Countdown, Book 5. Today is Thursday, 17th December 2020. Our topic is parameter and area. Chapter number 8. Today we will do question number 6. I will do A, B, and C part, and you will do D part by yourself. Students, it is very cold outside. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Let's start our today's work. Yesterday we have done question number 5, in which we have find the parameter of a rectangle through formula 2 multiplied by length plus width, right? Today we will find the parameter of a square where only one side is given, and we have to find the parameter of a square. Students, you know that all sides of parameter are square are equal, or there are four sides of a square and all are equal. So using this logic, we will find the parameter of a square using the formula. You will do that question number 6 on your notebooks before starting your work. Remember, we have decided two colors to draw margin line, so you will use them and draw margin line at both sides. After that, you will write CW. Then you will write Thursday, 17th December 2020. After that, you will write topic, parameter, and area. Then you will write exercise number 8A, page number 158. After that, you will start question number 6. Find the parameter of squares with the following sides with the formula. Now, our first part is 30 centimeter. Student, as I have told you earlier that all sides of square are equal, it means that all side will be of 30 centimeters, right? So, formula to find the parameter of a square is parameter is equals to 4 into L. Why 4? Because there are four sides of parameter. Four sides of a square. So parameter is a total length of a shape. So that's why we will add four sides, or we will multiply the length by 4. Because 4L means L plus L plus L plus L means sum of all four sides. So either we can multiply length by 4, or we can add it 4 times, answer will be same. So according to formula, parameter is equals to 4L. So 4, what is the length given? It is 30. So students, we can multiply directly. 4 3s are 12 and 4 zeros are 0. So 4 into 30 is equals to 120 centimeter, because the unit in the side is centimeter, so in parameter it will also centimeter. Or if you have any problem in multiplication, I have told you to multiply it separately. You can multiply as 30 multiply by 4. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12. You can adopt any one way. Okay, let's see another part. Our B part is 21 centimeter. So here sides are given. Length is equal to 21 centimeter. It means all four sides have the length of 21 centimeter. So formula is 4L, 4 multiplied by length. So 4 multiplied by 21. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 81 centimeter will be the parameter. Or we can multiply 21 multiply by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 twos are 8. So the answer of B part will be 84 centimeter. Let's move on to C part. Okay students, now C part is 106 centimeter. It means all four sides of a square is equals to 106 centimeter. Now we will put the value in the formula and we will get perimeter. We will write solution. Underline it. After that we know that perimeter is equals to 4 into L. Now 4 L is equals to 106. Now we will multiply 106 by 4. 6 fours are 24. 2 carry. 4 zeros are 0 and 2, and 4 ones are 4. 424 centimeter is the answer of C part. Now dear student, these are the three parts of question number 6, A, B and C. You will do D part by yourself following the same procedure. After that, after each part, after A part, you will draw a square using any color or a activity sheet. After B part, you will also draw a square, and after C part, you will also draw a square. And you will do this multiplication in working column. You will draw a proper column and then you will do this multiplication. Do your work neatly. Don't forget to write unit with the answer like 84 centimeter. You can ask in the comment box if you have any problem. Allah Hafiz.